Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to the new video of learning English. How you can improve your English speaking. So there are the only three ways which I am going to tell you. Reading, listening English, reading English, listening English and speaking in front of mirror. It means practicing speaking English. Only the three ways, but the foundation of English is vocabulary. For this, I have a wonderful book for you, Word Power Made Easy, written by the Norman Lewis, published by the S. Chan publication. We will going to tell you every day around 10 vocabulary words, which you will need to add in your vocabulary. So whenever you will going to speak English anywhere, in your college speech, in your office, wherever, when you will speak with these advanced words, people will love to listen you because they do not know the meaning of those words. Many people use only ordinary or the simple words while making a communication in English. But if you will use these advanced words which I am telling you in my today's video, people will get surprised because you will going to use advanced word which everybody don't know. Only the 10% people on this world knows the advanced word because they are the regular learner. So if you really want to improve, you really want to become a excellent English speaker, so you have to pay attention towards learning English speaking. So, the word of the day is anarchy, absence of government or control. So, the word, I will make a sentence. The country fell into a state of anarchy after the rebels kidnapped the president and locked the legislature inside the capital. Anecdote, a short count of a humorous or revealing accident. The old lady kept the motorcycle gang thoroughly amused with anecdote after anecdote about her cute little dog. Next word, anguish. I will read the word, tell the meaning, and make the sentence. I know you can understand. A agonizing physical or mental pain. Theresa had been a nurse in the emergency room for 20 years, but she had never gotten used to anguish of accident victims. Next word, animosity, resentment, hostility. Lolula hates Eric so much that she would like to stuff him in a mail sack and throw him out of an airplane. Anomaly, an irregularity, a deviation. Antecedent, someone or something that went before, something that provides a model for something that came after it. Next word, antipathy. I feel antipathy towards bananas. The meaning I skip. Dislike. I feel antipathy towards banana wrapped in a ham. Antithesis. Erin is antithesis of Erika. Erin is bright and beautiful. Erika is dull and pain. Apartheid, abhorrent policy. The word apparent is related to the word apart. Under apartheid in the South Africa, blacks are kept apart from whites and denied all rights. We have done the vocabulary for today. What I believe really, the people make a mistakes while speaking is because the knowledge, lack of the knowledge of vocabulary. But if you have the vast knowledge of vocabulary, you know the words and you have the knowledge to how to make a sentence, so you do not have an issue to speak in English, because the main thing is the foundation of English is vocabulary. If you know the vocabulary, so you can speak even in front of mirror, or you can speak with the real life people. I have told you one more thing, you can try Copilot also. You can download Microsoft Copilot. It is an AI assistant. You can talk with the AI. If you will use, I will show you in my next video that how to make a communication with the AI or the Microsoft Copilot. So if you will speak, so the AI will give you the answer and you can talk. So it is also a good way of practicing English speaking. But the basic things are always best: reading English newspaper regularly, listening English media every day for 30 minutes, and speak in front of mirror for improving your practice. But the main thing again I would like to tell you, the foundation of English is vocabulary. You have to make a command over vocabulary. So keep on working hard if you really want to improve yourself. Even you can open a new opportunity for you, like if you want to go for overseas studies in Canada or Australia, you need to qualify IELTS and TOEFL examination. For that, you have to work on your basic skills like reading, writing, and listening skills. Or you want to get a job in corporate sector MNC, again you have to work hard on your basics, so you can easily grab the opportunity in your life. So English is a opportunity. Yes, that is why it has become a global language. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.